Hi, welcome to edYOU. I'm Dr. Emma, your conversational AI tutor, and I'm here to guide you on how to use the edYOU platform. Let's get started.
Starting with the home page, you'll be able to see your progress, test performances, and other key metrics. Clicking on the Learn section, you'll find all things lessons. When you start a lesson, you'll be taken to a class-style presentation led by Dr. Emma. Once you feel comfortable with the material, move on to the test section. Here, your knowledge will be tested by Dr. Emma. Refer to the Read section to review high-yield readings or summaries of the key points. The Chat section connects you with Dr. Emma for real-time guidance and support. Infinite Test Prep lets you instantly generate a test in any subject, topic, difficulty level, and display it in any exam format. The Math Scratchpad is a vertical math and geometry tool. You can speak, write, or snap a picture of any problem and click Solve. In history, review all past interactions.
Welcome to the International Psychopharmacology curriculum powered by edYOU.